To connect Interactive Brokers to TradingView, you need to have an account with both platforms. Start by logging into your Interactive Brokers account and navigating to the Settings section where you can find the API settings. Here you will find your API key and API secret, which you will need later. Next, log into your TradingView account and navigate to the paper trading or live trading section. Depending on your preference, click on the Brokers option and select Interactive Brokers from the list of available brokers. You will then be prompted to enter your Interactive Brokers API key and API secret, which you obtained earlier. Enter these details and click Connect to establish the link between your Interactive Brokers account and TradingView. Once connected, you can start using TradingView to analyze markets and execute trades directly into your Interactive Brokers account. You can set up alerts and notifications to inform you of potential trading opportunities, and use the various tools and indicators available on TradingView to refine your trading strategy. It is essential to note that you should only use this connection for trading purposes and keep your API key and secret secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate your Interactive Brokers account with TradingView and take your trading to the next level. Remember to always use proper risk management techniques and thoroughly backtest any trading strategy before implementing it in a live trading environment. With the right tools and knowledge, you can make informed trading decisions and achieve your financial goals.